Alright guys, so now let's take a look at this rear section of this place, and there will be three special cars. So the first one is Mercedes AMG S63 4MATIC Plus Cabriolet, and this vehicle is finished in special design of olive green metallic, which is usually found on the G-Class, but here we can see it on the S-Class Cabriolet. So tell me, how stunning is this? And also it has two-tone and design exclusive AMG Napa leather interior, and also some other bits which I will show you. So this is just stunning. When I saw it for the first time, I was like, wow, this is crazy. And these are the AMG wheels. It has a steel brakes, V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC Plus badge on the front fender, and we can see this dashboard in saddle brown and this beautiful two-tone interior. So let's open the door and take a look. So this looks just really refined and really premium, luxurious interior. And what they do at the Center of Excellence, they can give you advice how to combine different colors and materials so it looks good as a finished configuration. And you can come there and take a look at so many samples and take a look. And you can pick yellow steering wheel, like purple seats, but then maybe it's not the best choice for you. So they will give you the advice how to combine so it looks good, and yeah, the finished product is excellent. So also the steering wheel is two-tone color in porcelain and saddle brown. So this is just really something else. This is facelift model, by the way, for the S63, and also the rear part is in saddle brown, where is the roof, and it is just is something else in this color, because usually this color you can find only on the G-Class. You can't put this color from the configurator. You need to have a special request to the Center of Excellence, and they can arrange the painting of this car for you. So from the rear we can see these OLED tail lamps. Very elegant, this green color. How it looks in the person is it's very majestic. So what is special about this Center of Excellence place is that they put the order directly in the factory. So it's factory painted, it's not repainted afterwards. So that's a big difference. And also the interior is put inside on the car at the factory, so it's not retrofitted. So yeah, really stunning S63 Cabriolet. I really like it even in the black color, but in this green olive from the G-Class, it's just really yeah, special car, special order. So these are the leather samples which you can choose. Not all of them, you can choose many more. So these are just a few samples to give you like a quick take a look. So yeah, you can put basically any color. So this is really nice. Really a lot of shades, as you can see, purple, pink. So even ladies can put like a pink leather interior, it's not a problem. And this S63 is just for me it's the best big cabriolet. So the AMG logo is also individual, as you can see, it is in the bronze color. So this is not normal from the configurator. Really stunning with these new digital panels. So here you can see this AMG Performance, also some other samples. So you can put basically any color in the world on your car. You can bring your own color, for example from the old car, and they will match it and paint the same exact color. Sometimes it takes longer to find all the materials, all the stitching, because the stitching, for example, needs to be compliant with the safety regulations for the airbags and etc. So it's not so easy to find all the components and also put it in the production line. So if you have a custom order, then you need to wait a few months more, maybe 3-4 months more than a normal delivery time. And these are also some carbon parts which are custom. You can fit them on your car. So really just a stunning place. And this is Mercedes-Benz 280 SE 3.5 Cabriolet W111. This is from the 1970 Concours edition from the Mercedes-Benz Museum. And the price of this vehicle, take a guess, is 750,000 euros. So this is really something else. All-time stars Concours edition. And it was, for me, it was for the first time to see this classic car in this spectacular condition. It has only few hundred kilometers on the odometer, so it's basically like a brand new car, and it takes you back to the history. So they put the car there because sometimes the clients, as you can see, this is the spec sheet for the car, 750,000 euros. So when the clients see this classic car, they're like, wow, you can also do this kind of stuff. So they make an order for these classic cars. So here we can see this is the wall where you can see the configurator, and here they can show you your future car on the screen. And also they have sample boxes, as you can see. They can paint cars which are built in Sindelfingen. So that's E-Class, S-Class, S-Class Coupe, S-Class Cabriolet, Maybach, then Pullman, and also they can do E-Class Coupe and also E-Class Cabriolet. For the C-Class they can do only the interior because it's built in a different plant, but they can do the interior and then send it to you. So yeah, this is very interesting. Here is also another example of CLS53 4MATIC Plus Mercedes AMG, and this is not so much customized, but a little bit customized. So this car has red elements inside of the vehicle, so it's two-tone classic red interior, and also it has a foil on the roof, so they can do that as well. So yeah, this is like a smaller part of the configuration of the individualization, but still it's a really big change inside of the interior. So also the CLS they can do because it's based on the E-Class platform. So really stunning place. What you can see here, it's really something you can see anywhere in the world. And the most customers they have are from the United States, also from the Middle East and other countries. So they also do delivery. The customers pick up the cars and collect the new vehicles here in the Center of Excellence. But I didn't want to film those cars. They were also under the blanket covered. So daily they can do maximum of 6 or 7 cars. And next in the content center, in the customer center, they can do delivery of anywhere between the 20 or even 50 cars, depends on the volume.